Hi! In front of me is Poco C65, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications and Control Center. Following that, tap on App Notifications and click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. You can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!